I made a small wooden box. At first glance, it's simple. Clean edges. No decoration. Just wood shaped with care. Nothing about it is meant to stand out. But simplicity asks for precision. Every cut has to be right, because there's nowhere to hide mistakes. The corners must meet cleanly. The lid has to sit just right. The real thought went into the inside. How the box opens. How it feels in your hands. The soft resistance when the lid moves, then settles into place. This kind of work takes time. Measuring twice. Cutting once. Removing just enough material and no more. There's a quiet satisfaction in making something like this. No rush, no shortcuts. Just patience, attention, and respect for the material. This box isn't meant to impress from across the room. It's meant to be picked up, to be opened slowly, to hold something small but important. Some projects are about showing skill, others are about intention. This one is meant to be held.